honored and blessed to be here. And I'm blessed to be in America. I have Indian culture and I have American culture. And I feel blessed to have both cultures. I do dances. God bless America. I do other Indian dances. Orlando for 45 years. Worked at the Orlando Regional Medical Center for 5 years in the emergency room. It was a hectic work, but I learned a lot. I opened my medical center in Dr. Phillips. My husband is an engineer, and he supports me for everything. So, I wanted to dress up. He said, "You really want to dress up today?" I said, "Yes." I talked to Maria Savidra, and I said, "How should I dress up?" And she said, "Well, I'm dressing up." I said, "Well, I am dressing up. I'm not going to be behind." Also, I had a passion of dance and music, even when I was in medical school. I love to go on the stage. And for that reason, I learned Kathak dance even after medical school. Because in medical school, I had to study, bookworm. You cannot go anywhere. So when I became doctor, I'm in the first stage and all these girls are hired nursing. I said, "Can you teach me that?" "Oh, auntie, yes, you can come." I go to their house and I learned and I got to the point where I became dissimilar. And then when I came here, the master was so impressed. He said that I'm going to make some music for you so you can perform in America. Amen. That was so awesome. How can you ask a big Nataraja master to make first performance? I did, and I love it. Thinking about the memory of that, 1980, I performed with Dr. Martia's wife, Teresa Borker, and it was amazing. Since then, I've been doing international festival every year. You know why? Because I get to perform. And I used to be super busy then because I used to take all the insurance. I was doctor who was busy for the community. I used to get all these performers. All my patients were arranged for me. And I would get Dr. Phillips Auditorium. And my daughter, who is now she's a dermatologist, I made her perform too. Two of us will do a dance, and then Chinese and other Mexican, all this would be arranged by the patients for me. So it was so awesome. And because of that, I continued my culture. And every time I go to India, you know what I like to do? Is shop. Shop for my outfits and my jewelry. I can open a shop easily. This is my passion. But I want to tell you, I'm blessed to be a doctor. And I'm blessed to be in America. And the reason I say I'm blessed to be a doctor, because there is no profession on this earth where you're your own boss. I can treat my patients the way I want. I don't want to work for the hospital. I want to work for me. And this is what I do. 4 years ago when COVID came, I stopped seeing sick patients. So upper respiratory, I don't see it anymore. First, I need to protect me, then only I can protect other patients. But before, I used to see all flu patients, no problem. If I get a flu, I can get treatment. So my story is my passion about medicine was the first. Nothing goes before that. And after that, my passion is dressing up, music, dance, doing crazy stuff. And I can make you dance. I do party every year at my house. I invite my patients when they come around that time and they love the culture and they love it. And you are also welcome to come to my party. You just have to tell me that I saw you in the Fusion Fest and you invited us. Listen, I will provide you Indian food. I will provide you dance. We can do a parade. And I live in Isleworth. When I had my daughter's wedding, we did some ceremony. I took a procession in Isleworth. We made music, we went around in the neighborhood. And I would love to do it again. And I would need all of your help. And we can make it beautiful. And it's not only for somebody else. It's for me. When I get excited and when I'm happy, it's for me. And then also I did anti-aging. So when you do anti-aging, you dress up. I tell patients, celebrate something. Dress up. Make memories. I have thousands and thousands of pictures. I'm on YouTube. I have 1,000 videos. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I told you that I love to go on the stage. I have artists. You guys are invited. My husband helps me with everything. He performs with me. We perform in Fusion Fest. And Teresa Borker, if she's here, I want to tribute her because she's the one who got me. Every year we used to go and perform in City Hall. So we've been doing it for like almost 20 years. And then Fusion Fest came, we started doing that too. It is a blessing to be in America where I can learn my own culture because I'm from India. When I came here, I learned Gujarati, I learned this dance, I learned this dance, only because I see so many cultures here. If I was in India, I was in one sector and I can never learn everything else. So I feel excited that I'm learning my culture here in America. And not only that, I'm doing all kinds of things for America too. Both cultures on my side. I finished my work, finished everything, half of this stuff I dressed up in the car. Yes, and I have a head which is on my portrait is up there. And I want to thank Ivan who did a beautiful job. My husband was in there too, but he did a great job. And everything is a memory, and I know you guys cherish it by dressing up and all that, but continue doing that and do a party, do a dress up. You don't get a dress up, do it at home. Do it your way. Do it at home together. Yeah. This is what we want to do. And God bless America.